ladies, my name is Chanel Kyle Salazar and ngayon ipapakilala ko sa inyo si Virgin Vaginal Suppositories. Gawa to sa USA and para to sa mga problema natin sa health down there. Like infection, yeast infection, bad odor at pangangate. Lalo na sa mga feeling medyo loose na. Listen up, super safe and effective to. At guys, gawa to ng Queen Diamond Ipaco. Sobrang kilalang brand pagdating sa mga women's. And after 3 days of using this, wala nang kahit na anong bakterya. Wala nang inflammation, bad odor, yeast infection, or kahit na anong kate. Even during your period, no more fishy smell. This product is made with natural ingredients na super safe for women's health. Like evening primrose oil, aloe vera, rose oil, saffron pistil, vitamin E, and especially may nano-collagen pa na tumutulong mag-regenerate ng tissue para bumalik ang elasticity and firmness ng intimate area. It also softens and rejuvenates the mucosa. Yung mga ingredients nito are antibacterial and help balance the microflora and maintain the right pH ng intimate area. Kaya yung mga problems like vaginal discharge and infection talagang nababawasan. Kaya feeling healthy and comfortable down there. Once you go virgin, you'll never go back. No need to explain pa. Kaya mag-message na or call the hotline now para maka-order ka. Grab yours now before it's too late. Super sayang naman if you miss this. Kaya mga ladies, stay healthy!